Hello and welcome to Parris RV. I'm Brett Parris. Today I'm going to show you a super cool toy hauler from Stryker. This particular model is a 2019 and it's called a 3116. It basically has just around 14 feet of cargo right to the island in the back, specifically designed to haul those big UTVs that we all love to ride. Let's check out some of the features here on the front before we move inside. One of the things I really like is this fancy painted cap on the front with the LED lights that are integrated into it. Plus, check out the power tongue jack. You know, cranking one up or down, especially on a toy hauler, isn't as fun. So having a push button to put your front end up and down and get it off your truck is sure a lot nicer. Here on the side, we've got a real nice slam latch baggage door. And it's got a magnet, so you don't have to worry about having a little catch. You just bring it up and put it right there and hey, you're good to go. Plus it's insulated, which means that you're not gonna have cold air rushing up underneath your bed. You know, a lot of these trailers, less priced trailers, have a real thin baggage door and the cold can just go right up inside. One thing I wanna point out is it's got an extended living package, which basically means it's got an enclosed and heated underbelly. So if you go out in the cold weather, you know, like today I'm out at the sand dunes, and you know, the desert cools off at night. You know, here in the, you know, gets nice in the day to ride, but at night cools off. So having an extended, you know, season package will keep your tanks nice and warm and keep them heated so they don't freeze up on you. Check out the huge power awning, and it's got an LED strip. I failed to turn that on, but real nice LED strip. Great big awning that goes out on the side. And let's don't forget that it's got a 4,000 Cummins Awning standard and a 5,500 Cummins as an option on this particular toy hauler. The generator is pre-plumbed to fuel, and it has a 30-gallon fuel pumping station on the backside. So not only does it feed the generator, but if you pull your toys up the backside, you've got a gas pump you can use, pull out and fill up your toys. Check out the nice aluminum wheels right here. And plus, let's check this out, 16-inch wheels and tires. You know, in most toy haulers in a travel trailer, you get 15-inch wheels and tires. So having 16s is really nice because one, it gives you a bigger tire that's rated for more cargo, but the other thing is it gives you more clearance when you come out to a place like the sand dunes. This bracket right here is designed to handle your TV. So you can take your TV on the inside, put it on the outside and have a TV underneath your awning out here while you're barbecuing, hanging out with your friends, or put your TV back inside. Let's go check out the inside. So now we're inside the 2019 Stryker 3116, and one thing that's really super cool about this brand is it's got an 8-foot gate in the back. You know, most travel trailers are gonna have a 7-foot gate. Having an 8-foot gate is a lot better, and I always think, you know what, these toys just keep getting bigger, and you know, maybe the toy of the future will fit in this one and maybe not in another one. So it's nice to have that size of a gate in back. Check out the touchscreen fancy sound system here. It's got a big old, you know, kicker subwoofer, kicker speakers. You got speakers on the inside, speakers on the outside. That's really nice. Check out the interior barrel ceiling. The reason I like that is because it makes it feel bigger and more open. I love this wraparound kitchen that they've done. Not only is it solid surface countertops, but you've got an undermount stainless steel farm sink, which is super, super nice, and it's huge. And you just have tons of counter space. You know, most toy haulers don't have any counter space. This one's got a lot. Check out the cool oven here. That's the newest, latest Furrion oven and integrated cooktop range. And then look at the nice solid surface countertop over here with the nice backsplash here that says Stryker. That's really, really cool. Keep in mind, this has a huge slide. It goes all the way from here past that sofa. So it's got a great big slide out. This sofa will make down to a bed. You've got a ceiling fan right here, which is pretty cool. You know, if it's hot outside, you can turn that on and kind of cool it off in here a little bit, move some air. I love this big bed in the back. This is really about the size of a king bed. And then this dinette makes down for a bed also. Now keep in mind, when it's time to bring your toys in, all you do is hit a button and up goes both beds, and then you can drive your UTV or your ATVs or your motorcycle, whatever you've got, you can pull those up on the inside. When the gate's down like this, you can pull those screens down right here and have privacy or screen, which is pretty cool. This is a whiteboard. Maybe you write on here, "Gone writing, see you in a while," you know, with a marker or something. That's what that's designed to do. All of these storage cabinets here are designed to hold a men's XXX large helmet. So they made sure that those fit your you know, extra large helmets. One of the things I really like are these stainless appliances right here, which are nice. Here's your TV, that's on a bracket, so it'll pull out, swivel, whatever you'd like it to do. If you come down this way, it's a side aisle bath, so everything's all inside on one side, and it's a walk-through bath. I really like this glass shower door. You know, a lot of them just have a curtain or something. That's a glass shower door. Lots of cabinets in here for storage. Lots of storage down below. Lots of storage back here, which is pretty cool. Now we're in the bedroom of the 3116 Stryker. Notice it's got a king bed. Almost all traders have a queen, so you know, having a king's pretty nice. You've got hanging closets on both sides, which are really nice, and then overhead storage. You know, a lot of traders won't give you overhead storage. This has actually got overhead storage, side storage. It's got pull-out drawers that are really long. Look how long those are. Plus, it's even got a little shelf here with USB, so you can put your phone in there to plug it in or set your watch up there at night. And then notice the switch with where the Awning generator turns on and off. You know, you're in bed late at night and you don't want to get up to walk out and turn your generator off. You just turn it on and off from right there. I think that's a really nice thing that they've done. It's set up for an optional second TV if you want. You can put that right here. And then one thing I really love about this is it's got ventilation on both sides with great big windows on both sides. I think they did a really good job on that. It's nice to have a breeze come through here at night while you're sleeping. You know, Stryker is our #1 selling toy hauler at Parris RV. We absolutely love them. This is a brand new model from them, and you need to come down and check it out. Come down and see me at Parris RV.